Novatek's environmental monitoring solution brings the latest technology for paperless sampling, bidirectional instrument interfacing, trending, and root cause analysis. Novatek's EM solution streamlines your entire EM program from a one-time setup of your sampling plan, including facility maps, to day-to-day sampling paperlessly in real time, including data acquisition and entry, as well as the critical data analysis for recovery rate reports and root cause analysis for incidents and excursions. Upload interactive and version-controlled maps directly into the system with all of your sampling points. With the click of a button, view all of your results on an interactive map. Novatek's EM protocols allow you to track any test type, sampling location, classification, specifications of your tests, as well as frequency. You can also use on-demand for non-routine monitoring. Our specifications allow you to track alert and action levels, as well as rolling specifications with our adverse trend feature, incubation periods, as well as up to 3 levels of approval. Sample paperlessly in real time with our EM mobile-friendly Cleanroom tablet. We work with pre-labeled media to save you the time and effort required to print labels for your media. By offering a bidirectional instrument interface, Novatek's EM solution saves you both transcription time and the time required to configure your instruments, such as your air samplers and your particle counters. It also prevents transcription errors by automating the process of transferring results.
Our rapid data entry screen looks a lot like Excel, helping users adjust to the system very easily and quickly. It's flexible. You can scan barcodes. You can use the filter to search for specific content. You can configure your columns by checking and unchecking the fields on the left and print a report accordingly. It also highlights alerts and actions in addition to a visual notification.
Novatek focuses on output, which means that your quarterly reports and trends can happen very quickly by using saved reports and queries.
Novatek is the market leader when it comes to environmental monitoring trending, both for state of control routine monitoring, as well as data analysis for root cause during excursions. You can trend on any time period using various types of graphs, and for any of the parameters that may affect contamination, such as person taking and handling the sample, location, equipment, shift, different test types. You can trend in real time or after results are approved. As examples, we have daily recovery rate reports, we have quarterly recovery rate reports. You can trend by various rooms within your facilities or the specific locations within those rooms. You can trend microorganisms in bar charts, trends, pie charts. You can also trend your microbiologist for personnel monitoring. You can trend comparing different types of equipment, air samples as an example, or particle counters. And finally, we have control charts that can help you reevaluate your alert and action levels.
We make it easy to do the data analysis required for investigations and root cause. You can trend on any of the factors that could potentially affect contamination, such as equipment, media lots, personnel, and much more.